Hello mga ka-turismo! We're here in Crest Nature Hotel and Resort in Nasugbu, Batangas. I am here for a meeting and I just arrived an hour earlier, so I take the liberty to explore the place. Although the weather is a bit off lang, so we'll see what we can feature here in this haven. If you're looking for a place that is very close to nature, then this is a must-go-to on your bucket list. This is the way going to the main lobby or clubhouse of Crest. We are now entering the lobby of Crest. This is the lounge area where you can sit while you wait to be accommodated. This is also one of the attractions you will notice in the lobby. When you walk through, a very enticing pool adjacent to the lobby welcomes you when you arrived at Crest. So this is the clubhouse. Crest is actually not a membership club, for everybody's information. So this is open to the public. Here are the list of the amenities you can enjoy in Crest. Father's Day is just around the corner and you may treat them and celebrate Father's Day for as low as 1,625 pesos per person, inclusive of breakfast based on minimum capacity, 30 minutes massage for father, access to wave pool and clubhouse pool, access to spa facilities. So this promo is available on all Sundays of June. Dahil rainy season has arrived, so here at Crest Nature Hotel and Resort, as the rain keeps pouring, so are the discounts. So the rainy day promo for as low as 2,125 pesos per person, inclusive already of breakfast based on minimum capacity, unlimited brewed coffee, rainy day gift, use of gym and spa facilities, use of wave pool and clubhouse pool. This promo runs from June 1 to August 31, 2023. Sadly, I was not able to roam around within the vicinity because of the weather, but certainly, Crest Nature Hotel and Resort is a must-visit place. You may include it on your next travel destination, probably a venue for your team building, as well as other personal events like birthdays and weddings. Crest Nature Hotel and Resort is located at Kilometer 72, Barangay Batulao, Nasugbu, Batangas. You may visit their website at www.forestcrestnatureresort.com.